Welcome. In this video, I will explain Python operators. First, I will show you Python operators table. Now we will understand this table. The first column in the table is precedence. And by precedence, we mean the order of execution of operators if they appear in a single statement or line. Please recall that when we used to do arithmetic calculations, we used to stick to BODMAS rule, which is used to give priority to different mathematical operations to get the correct result. And in Python also, there are rules for execution of operators and it is called operator precedence. Next column is priority and it is created by me to simplify the precedence for you. Next column is operator. It contains the symbols which are used as operators. After that, there is column which contains the name of operators. And after that, usage of operator and their associativity. And at last is the category in which an operator falls. I have given some color to rows of same category operators. Now I will discuss all these operators one by one with you. First of all, we will talk about arithmetic operators. The first arithmetic operator is exponent. Exponent operator is represented by two asterisk signs. Let us see how it works. If I write 5, two asterisk signs and then 2, this means 5 raised to the power 2. You can also find the square root of any number using this exponent. What you need to do is, you just need to write 0.5 and you will get the square root of that number. The next operator is multiplication, which is represented by a single asterisk sign. After that, we have forward slash, which is used for division. And after that, we have float division. Now what is a float division? Float division is used to remove the decimal part of the result. In other words, float division will only give you the integer value and the decimal part will be removed. Then we have modulus operator, which is represented by percentage sign. So what this modulus operator do is it gives us the remainder. If we divide 5 by 2, then the remainder will be 1. Similarly, if I divide 13 by 7, the remainder will be 6. So percentage is used to find remainder and it is called modulus operator. After that, we have two more arithmetic operators, that is plus and minus. Plus is used for addition and minus is used for subtraction. There is an interesting fact that we can use addition and multiplication operators with strings. If we use plus sign in strings, it will concatenate, or in other words, it will join the strings. See, hello and world are joined when I use plus sign. And also observe that there is no space in between these two strings. You can join any number of strings using plus sign. Always remember that when you use plus sign, then both the values should be numbers or strings. Otherwise, you will get an error. Now when you use multiplication with the string, then that string will be repeated that number of times. Keep in mind that number must be an integer only. Thanks for now. See you in the next video.